Episode 22 Xavier's Legacy in Japan. Hello everyone. Today we explore St Francis Xavier's significant legacy in Japan. Xavier's mission in Japan left a profound impact on the development of Christian communities and played a pivotal role in influencing Japanese culture and society. Xavier's mission in Japan. St Francis Xavier's mission in Japan was marked by his arrival in Kagoshima in 1549. His goal was to spread the Christian faith and establish Christian communities in a country that had its unique cultural and religious traditions. Impact on the development of Christian communities. Xavier's mission in Japan resulted in the establishment of the first Christian communities in the country. He preached, baptized converts, and laid the foundation for the Christian faith in Japan. The introduction of Christianity had a significant influence on Japanese culture and society. It brought new religious perspectives, introduced Western ideas, and played a role in shaping societal values. Religious pluralism and acceptance. Xavier's mission introduced a sense of religious pluralism, offering an alternative spiritual path in a country where Shintoism and Buddhism were dominant. The presence of Christianity highlighted religious diversity and tolerance. Growth and spread of Christian communities. Xavier's efforts laid the groundwork for the expansion of Christian communities in Japan. His missions paved the way for further Christian presence and the growth of a Christian network. Impact on cultural values and society. Christianity's influence extended beyond religious practice, affecting cultural values and societal norms. It introduced new moral and ethical concepts that contributed to the evolution of Japanese society. Resistance and challenges faced by Christian communities. The growth of Christian communities was not without challenges. The religion faced opposition, resulting in periods of persecution and challenges for the adherents of Christian faith. Enduring legacy of Christianity in Japan. Despite periods of persecution, the Christian faith endured and left a lasting legacy. The communities established by Xavier and subsequent missions became part of Japan's religious fabric. St. Francis Xavier's mission in Japan was foundational in the establishment of Christian communities and played a crucial role in influencing Japanese culture and society. His efforts, despite challenges, contributed to the lasting legacy of Christianity in Japan. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's mission in Japan remains a pivotal chapter in the history of Christianity in the country, leaving an indelible mark on its cultural and religious landscape.